I'll guide you through transferring money from Cash App to Venmo without dealing with unsupported card errors or waiting days for a standard bank bridge to clear. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open Cash App and tap the Money tab to reveal your routing and account numbers, which act as your digital banking credentials. Copy these numbers exactly so you can treat your Cash App balance like a traditional bank account within other apps. Switch over to Venmo, tap the Me tab, and open your settings gear to manage your stored payment methods. Select Payment Methods, then tap Add Bank or Card to begin the linking process. Choose Bank and select the Manual Verification option to enter your Cash App routing and account numbers directly. If you prefer an instant connection, choose Card instead and input your Cash Card details to pull funds from your Cash App balance in real time. Return to the Venmo home screen and tap Manage Balance to initiate a transfer from your newly linked Cash App source. Enter the specific amount you need and confirm the transfer to move your money into the Venmo ecosystem. Keep in mind that while the card method is instant, using the account numbers as a bank link is the most reliable way to avoid transaction declines. Verify your identity in both apps if you plan on moving more than $1,000 to prevent the apps from flagging your transfer for security reviews. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.